Assalamualaikum friends, I'm Cousin Saurabh and welcome to my channel Hurrican BD. And this video is very important things to you. Today I'm going to discuss with you about insurance in USA. So now I'm going to start this video. Let's go into one and press the bell icon to achievement this video, this type video. So now I'm going to search bar at Google. Okay, Google. I'm going to type Google. Okay. Okay, a little moment. I'm going to click about Google. Then in search bar now I will type what is insurance. What is insurance? Wikipedia.com. Okay. From Wikipedia to free and Wikipedia, insurance is the main of the production from the financial loss. It is from the risk management primary use to hedge against a risk of the concrete and uncertain loss. An entity which the provide insurance is known in the insurance company. An insurance carrier on the underwrite a person or entity who buys the insurance is known as a policyholder, while a person or entity covered under the policy is called an insured. Policyholder and insured are often used to but are not necessarily synonyms, and coverage and sometimes extend to additional insured who did not buy the insurance. The insurance transaction involves the policyholder assuming the granted loan and relatively small work to form the payment of to the insurer in exchange for the insurance promise to consented at the incurred in the event of covered loss. The loss may or may not be financial, but it must be recoverable and financial term, and usually involves something in which the insured has an inseparable interest established in by ownership, the possession, or pre-existing relationship. The insurance remains the contract called the insurance policy, which details the condition and circumstances under the which the insured will consent and the insured or the design the beneficiary or assign. The amount of the money charged by the insured or the policyholder for the coverage set forth the insurance policy is called the premium if the insured experiences a loss which is the potentially covered the insurance policy. The insured submits the claim to the insurer of progress by a client and just a monetary out-of-the-pocket expense required by the insurance policy before any insurance will pay claim. The cost will be located or required by the health insurance policy covenant. The insurance may be used its own risk by the taking the reinsurance whereby the another insurance company is the carry of the risk, especially to the primary insured, the risk the large to be carried. Okay, now I'm going to show you the early method of the insurance. The history of insurance, the early method of the transforming or describing the risks where the Paratine said the Babylon, the Chinese and Indian trade the long ago the 3rd and 2nd millennium BC. Exceptionally, Chinese merchants were traveling treacherous the river rapid would restricted their words across many vessels in the limited loss due any single vessel's the capital. The Codex Numeri Lot 238, the C 1075 and 1750 BC stipulated that sea captain, the ship manager or ship character that saved the ship from the total loss was only required to pay one of half value of the ship if the ship owner in disguise suspended the sound volume of the conditional loss ordered by just trying the 527 to 565. Okay, the strong the Roman Emperor, the legal opinion to reach in the Roman justice at the beginning the crisis of the 3rd century, the 235 had the included about the Lex Rodia that activated the general average the principle of the marine insurance stipulate the island of the Rost in approximately 1000 to 800 BC. At the method of the Doric has policies published by the Punics during the Dorian invasion and immigrants of the proper the sea peoples during the Greek Third Age. That the later the propology trade the Great describe the laws of general consultant the fundamental the principle of the underlying insurance in 1816 and agricultural expansion the many Egypt the provide the nerve and returning Danish and travel to Rodini temple of the Arabs in Annapolis that the purchase of the rules of membership due to the Bureau Society College to place the Lebanon Italy and exploration 130 years during the right and hidden at the Roman Empire in 1851, the 15 years, the Supreme the Court Justice of the Justin Jefferson, which are dated on 1872 1092 once employed the actually the mutual benefit the life insurance company submitted in the article of the Journal of Insurance actually dating the historical account the servant destiny life table to cover the Roman Justin Employed the Festival of 2028 during the writing Republic that is also included the US in US America. The concept of insurance has been also found in the 3rd century BC. Hindus describe the Tarvishra or Ancestra and the Mulchity is the end secret means loans, money, advance or the ship cargo, repair the largest of fire purpose but not repair the ship is lost. The investing in being made high enough of the pay not only of the use the captain but the risk of loss. Loans character even since the commonly termed lands under the name of bottomary or responsibility bonds. The direct insurance rate the premium independently of the loan beyond the question about insurance the friend in June 1347. Okay friends, number 2 there, and I will back the next video about the insurance in USA. Then I will give to show you about the list of insurance company in USA and United States America. Okay, thank you very much for staying with us.